Hello, friends. Today, I have some exciting news to share with you. Now you can create unlimited anime images without any restrictions. That's right. With this method, you can generate unlimited anime images. No limits, no restrictions. This free unlimited service is provided by a website called Kusa Pics. With Kusa Pics, you can generate anime images without any restrictions. Now, let's explore the features this website offers. To get started, first navigate to the Kusa Pics website, click on the Sign In button, and choose to sign in with Google or any other email account. Once you're logged in, you'll unlock a variety of additional features that enhance your experience. Let's start from the homepage. Here, you'll find the Image Generator feature. So first, you can select the anime style you prefer for your creation. All right, here you can see a variety of anime styles. Just select the one you'd like to use to generate your images. Next, you'll need to type a prompt, but first, let's take a look at all the available options. The Convert to Booru tag option lets you turn a regular prompt into a tag-based one, and the Upload Image option allows you to generate a prompt from an image. Here, you can choose how many images you want to generate, as well as your desired image size. The negative prompt lets you specify things you don't want in your generated image, and the auto download option will automatically save the image once it's generated. In the history section, you can find all the anime images you've generated. All right, it's time to generate an image. I'll click Random to get a prompt, then hit Generate to see the results. Awesome! Here you can see the cute anime girl that was generated. Let's try one more by clicking Random again. Nice. After opening a generated image, you'll see a few more options. You can regenerate, inpaint, or upscale the image. Now let's try the inpaint option. If you're not familiar with it, inpainting lets you modify specific areas of an image based on your prompt and the area you paint. In this example, I'll add white glows to her hand. Perfect. Did you see that, guys? The specific area we painted has been modified. Now you can see the glows on her hands, and that's how it works. All right, now it's time to try image generation with a different style. So I'll click on the current style and switch it to a different one. All right, now instead of using a random prompt, we'll create our own using ChatGPT, then convert it to tags and generate the image. Now click Convert to Booru tag to generate the tag-based prompt, then hit Generate to see the result. All right, the image turned out even better than I expected. So guys, that's how easily you can generate unlimited anime images with great quality. Okay, let's see how easy it is to upscale a generated image. First, select the image you want to upscale, then click Upscale to generate the enhanced version. Nice. It's super easy, right? Now it's time to check out one of the most trending styles these days. Yes, it's Labubu. Let's see how we can generate images in that style. To generate Labubu style images, head over to the Play section in the menu and click on Labubu Generator. Here, just describe how you want your character to look and click Generate. You can also try it out by clicking on one of the example prompts. Awesome. So that's how you can use the Kusa Pics website to generate unlimited anime images for free. Feel free to give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll be back with a new tutorial or something exciting soon. Until then, goodbye.